turn video. At least look like you're not bored. Hello, welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday, it's a weekend, and it's about 11 p.m. right now. And I'm at my sister's place, and like really bad naughty kids, we are going out for dessert because yeah, why not? So all four of us, me, my sister, and our husbands are going out, and I thought I'll vlog. I'll take you along with me, and yeah, that's you.
That's you.
Hi,
This is the most annoying person in the whole world.
the best sister in the whole world.
Where are we going, guys?
We are going to Gelato Land because we are craving sweet at the end at 11 p.m. in the night.
Are we being really naughty kids?
We were always naughty kids.
Ye buddhi.
According to our parents.
Please repeat what you just said.
I just called you a buddhi because you're no longer a kid.
This is going on YouTube.
The Nani of our group.
आशु क्या चूज कर रही है बोल
I'm definitely very much confused because there's so much to choose from.
What are you gonna have? Are you gonna
I
have?
need something warm. Something warm. It's very
Yeah,
cold.
because
in
it's really
Pune.
cold right now.
It's so indulgent.
It's really good. This one is Biscoff. What is yours?
Milk and white chocolate. And it's so heavy.
And what is yours?
ज़्यादा ठंडा लग रहा है।
How?
वॉफल एंड ब्राउनी
कौन सा है?
न्यूटेला ब्राउनी
And इसका तो आया ही नहीं है.
इज वेटिंग
This is really good. We're on a walk. It's past midnight. The roads are completely empty.
We are burning off our waffle calories.
Yeah, because I don't think we'll sleep because we are so wired from all the sugar. And the roads are completely... The roads are empty, but the kids are crying. What do you think?
The weather is very nice.
Yeah. And if you're wondering where our husbands are, they are way ahead of us. Look at them. Why is he shouting?
They don't care about us.
Yeah, they don't. They're like, they don't care. इतने
These
अंधेरे
are
में.
the brother-in-law's bonding.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, your dog.
Hello.
Hello. Lovely baby.
Stretch. Big stretch.
Oh, shit.
देख भी जितने पास है।
चल
It's day 2. It's Sunday. And where are we going, guys?
Irani Cafe.
We're going to Irani Cafe for brunch because we've not had anything since morning, and it's 12:30 right now.
It's a brunch.
So we are continuing to be naughty kids that our parents won't approve of. So we're very hungry and we are going to eat a lot. Let's see.
This is my voice.
क्या है?
बहुत अच्छा है इसका स्मेल.
बता. It's really nice.
Koti soda. बहुत अच्छा लगता है ऐड करना.
Now we're going back home, but had a really good time at my sister's place. We spent the night there, just chatted, caught up with each other. We were quite busy during the New Year, and yeah, had a really chill time. Today we just went to brunch at Irani Cafe, which is a very famous place in Pune, and then we went shopping. My sister wanted to buy a few things, so we just went shopping. Had some goti soda, like you just saw, which was really interesting, really nice, very refreshing. And now we are on the way back home. It's around 3:30. Yeah, we'll chill for the rest of the Sunday. I'll catch up with you in some time. Good morning. It's 2 days later actually. It's Tuesday today. I realized that I never finished the vlog. I didn't even end it. So I'm just gonna continue vlogging today because it's a holiday today for us on account of Makar Sankranti. So yeah, don't really have anything planned for today. Just gonna chill at home. Just having a chill day at home. Nothing new here. So are you guys enjoying the self-care series on YouTube Shorts? Let me know because I have been putting a lot of efforts into it. Let me know if you're liking it. Also, are you guys interested in knowing what I'm reading currently? Because I definitely won't mind talking about it. So 2 days ago I finished this book called The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. The story is really good. I loved her writing as well. Very easy to read, very easy to finish it. It's a small book. It's hardly 350 pages. Also, I started another book called They Both Die at the End. It's an LGBTQ story. Two boys spend their last day on earth together. Really excited about this one as well. I've just started. I'm only 10 pages in, and it seems interesting. Yeah, so let me know if you're interested in knowing what I'm reading, because I definitely have a reading goal this year, and talking about it kind of helps keep me on track. And if you have any recommendations for books that I should read, please leave them in the comments. Love to hear them.
5 minutes.
Good evening. It's much later now. It's around 4:45 p.m. Anish has been wanting to get a smartwatch for a while now, and I was assigned the task of researching for it. After much deliberation, I've come to the conclusion that he should get the Nothing watch, CMF. Sorry, what? He should get the CMF watch by Nothing because he has the Nothing phone. Nothing 2, right? He has Nothing 2. So yeah, that's what I got from my research. Well, initially we were thinking of Amazfit, but Amazfit is exorbitant. Plus,
Use case is just looking at the time.
yeah, he just wants a very basic smartwatch for looking at time and for very basic functionalities. Maybe sleep and steps, perhaps. Maybe. So yeah, he just wanted a very simple watch. I use Amazfit, and it's an amazing watch. I've been using it for over 2 years now. No complaints. I also wanted a very basic watch, and that's what that is. But now that particular brand has become very expensive. Also, I didn't really want to go for little brands like what is it called? Firebolt, Noise, and all those brands, because I have personally seen that they don't last more than a year. They literally disintegrate and their displays go off, whatnot. So really didn't want to go for that. So yeah, after much deliberation, we've come to the conclusion that CMF by Nothing is the best fit for him. So, and we saw that Vijay Sales has that watch. They sell it. So we are on the way to Vijay Sales now. Hopefully they have it in stock. If not, we'll have to order it from Flipkart, which is fine too. We just wanted to get it today itself, if possible. But if not, that's fine. Good morning. It's the next day. I just realized that I didn't end the vlog yesterday. And if you've made it this far, leave a yellow heart emoji so that I'll know that you stayed till the end. This could be a secret code. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.